I'm gonna show you how does my brother play. But let's get on to here. I'm gonna show you how my brothers. Over is done, so now I think like I do to him, but I'm gonna let him like 10 more minutes.
Thanks.
Come on!
We're going to my brother's not our little pepper. Not this one, no.
Something's coming. Watch out! Come on!
Oh my god.
Someone's here.
Come on!
Okay.
Come on!
Okay.
So guys, my brother played the game. I don't know why. Nah, I'm playing the lookup of the world. I passed on. I'm burning on this one. I don't know. Is this your shirt? Oh no, it's mine. I'm watching some shirt. What that? Are you going to organize all yours? Juanito, ¿qué es lo que está ahí? Lo que dice. ¿Dónde pones?
Organize? Oh, organize is before you can organize your stuff, like your guns, if it looks...
I'm changing.
Michelle, you know where the mines are?
Past the station. Not too far from here. Follow me.
Hit me.
Come on!
Okay.
This one.
So we didn't have no. This is chocolate.
Come on!
Okay.
I just did
What
the
is
dog.
soft one? one I have red. This is a pretty. Wait, is it pretty? Is it pretty? Yeah, it's a good one, no? No, it's a box on it. This one's my special. Red. Kind of reddish. This gray one.
Come on!
Roger.
And this black
Come on!
Okay.
one.
Come on.
And you're gonna
Okay.
Down.
my stamp. This color. See hard. It's too hard.
You grab it.
Okay. I'll take the lantern. Stay close to me.
Sheva,
Roger.
come on!
Gonna be needing
Take it.
some
Roger.
air conditioner in case doesn't want to. The other color is
I'm getting bored.
other black one.
Emily, show them your what? Your locker.
Okay, my brother wants me to show you my locker the next time. But I cannot wait to show you. How's my dad actually help me with that? This is kind of they walk green. I'm gonna try to paint them more nicer than the I'm super duper sure. This means I want to have these. Look at this, guys. I have to press the bouncing right there. So see, For this other one,
She
so we're gonna be
eats
needing
so
some a
much.
little bit red because you know why? Because this now is red. If I paint it like
Some of these. Where's the Coke?
I don't know.
Where's the Coke?
I don't know. I'm gonna use it. Air condition. I'll be right back.
Guys, so
Make
now
sure you subscribe below this video.
for me,
And do it thumbs up. Type the line. And I wanted to give it to 200 views. 1,005 views. Bye.